So you open the notepad, then you run it as administrator. From here, you just click on File, then Open. Here you want to go to this PC. From this PC, open the local disk C, then scroll all the way to Windows. Here you just want to open the System32, then look for a file named drivers. Drivers, open, then etc or etc, then open all the files in order to find hosts. Click on open, then here is where you edit your host files. You add the address and the hosts. I'll just go and look for my host files that I want to add there. Copy the address and the host, so just add there and save them. These are the files you add and save. That is method 1. I'll show you another method as well on how to edit your host files. So this method 2, you just copy this command. This is winget install --id microsoft.powertoys. This tool will enable us to edit the host files. Just open CMD or command prompt, run as administrator. Then you paste that command that you copied, winget install --id microsoft.powertoys. Then it will start to install. Just agree to the agreements, terms, enter Y to agree and press enter. Then it will start to download. This may take some time depending on the speed of your internet. Just give it some time to install, then we'll be right back. So when it's done installing, it will open, or you can open it up by searching for PowerToys. So we are done installing, and there it is. It has several commands. You can check them at your free time, like Kalapika and many others, but today we are focused on the editing of the host files. So we'll scroll all the way to find hosts file editor. Then we'll want to start by opening the settings and ensuring that the host file editor is on. Then you open the host file editor. From here, you can see that we can add new entries. Just click on the new entry button. I've already added them, but I'll just show you where we add them from. New entry, then address. You enter your address there, your host there, and comments if you have any, then click on add. So this was my address and this is my host. So you just enter them there, then you click on add. You'll not add them again because they're already there. Close that. And that is how you edit your host files. Those two methods are easy to implement. Just by following these simple steps, you'll be able to do that. You can look at other parts on the dashboard as well. And we are done here. So remember to subscribe if you're new to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.